Hi everyone, to the bone, this is Darcy, and today I'm going to give you my top 3 tips on how to protect and recover your skin from sun damage. So if you want to hear more about it, keep on watching. First of all, I just want to make sure you know I'm not naked. I'm wearing a tube top. It's just that I notice looking at the screen it looks like I'm naked, but just want to get that out of the way. Before we get to the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have weekly videos all about beauty, so if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe. And also hit the like button if this video was helpful to you. Summer's almost over and I'm sure everybody enjoyed the beach, the outdoors, but also I'm sure nobody enjoys sun damage, so these tips will really help you all year round to recover your skin and protect from sun damage. So now let's get to the tips. Tip number 1. Aloe Vera. This plant, guys, is a miracle. I have a whole video talking about it, and I have face masks that are done with aloe vera. In a nutshell, just having this plant around can be a lifesaver. So you just open it up, and the gel part inside, just rub it on the area that is sunburned, and it automatically cools the area and helps to heal and take out the redness. But even if you don't have sunburns, if you, after the long summer, you start looking at dark spots that were caused by the sun, you can also put aloe vera on it and it helps to fade them out. It's super high in vitamin E and antioxidants. The plant is the best one to have and it's super affordable to have at home. I have the plant at home myself, but you can buy in supermarkets. It's super easy to find. Tip number 2, green tea. Green tea is not only delicious to drink all year round, but it's also amazing to put topically on your skin. It's so good, guys. It's super high in antioxidants. So it adds an extra layer of protection to your skin from the sun. By itself is not enough sun protection, but it boosts up your sun protection, helps your skin to recover from sun damage, helps with dark spots, depuffs your face because it's super high in caffeine, and if you're suffering from acne, it also helps to heal acne. So it is a great thing that you can do every morning, super affordable, and I have an amazing recipe of a DIY green tea toner that is super easy to make. All you do is brew 1 cup of green tea, let it stay for a few hours so it gets really strong. Then put it in a glass container on the refrigerator and use that as a natural green tea toner every day when you wake up. It is so refreshing, it's not sticky, you just let it air dry and then follow with moisturizer and sunblock and your makeup, and it doesn't disturb anything. You don't need to wash it off. And do it every week because the tea lasts about 7 days in the refrigerator since it has no chemicals and is all natural. So try it out, you will love it, and you can also drink it, so it's amazing. Tip number 3, sunblock. Because right now it's not just about sun damage and wrinkles and dark spots, but also is important to prevent skin cancer. Because it doesn't matter if you spend thousands of dollars on face creams, face masks, face treatments, if you don't protect your skin from the sun. This is one of the most important tips I can give you for anti-aging and for your health. A lot of people think they only have to put sunblock if they're gonna go to the beach or gonna be outdoors, but that is not so. You actually get exposed to the sun even when you're indoors, in your car, and some sunblocks offer protection as well from your monitor. You actually are exposed to a lot of rays throughout your day. So sunblock is important, not just if you're going to be outside, but important every day. My biggest challenge when I find sunblock is finding something that it doesn't break me out, is not oily, and I always love sharing sunblocks that work for me with you guys because, as you guys know, my skin is super finicky, and this has been one of my favorites for the summer and it's really helping my skin a lot. This is from Clarins, is broad spectrum SPF 50 and is the sunscreen for face, creme solaire, and I actually was sent complimentary from Clarins. Use the sunblocks throughout the summer for over a month, daily, and it did not break me out, it did not cause oiliness, it really actually helped absorb into my skin because my skin is being extra dry this summer and super flaky, so it did protect my skin. And this one is not only good for sun protection, but it has anti-aging ingredients as well, and it does affect on a cellular level. It's super high tech, and I love that it's not sticky. It's like white, but absorbs right away. It's matte and absorbs right away, as you guys can see. It has like a floral smell, so it doesn't have that bad sunblock smell. One day that actually the sunblock really impressed me was when I went to this beach town and I was walking around with my boyfriend all day long. I put the sunblock on my face, but I did not put on my neck, and I put another sunblock on my body. And I'm not joking, guys, my face did not burn, but the rest of my body was like bit red and super painful. Like my neck was like raw. I couldn't even sleep at night. It was so painful. And I put aloe vera, which is one of the tips I talk about today. It really impressed me because I used on my body the same SPF, but a different brand. And I put this one on my face, but my face didn't burn, but my body did. So that was really impressive because it really showed how much this protected my skin. It actually contains 100% mineral filters. It provides optimal full spectrum sun protection against UVA and UVB and IR rays, which is really important, guys, because not all sunblocks protect you on the 3 different spectrums. Most sunblocks protect you UVA, UVB, or one or the other, but this one goes the extra step that is UVA, UVB, and IR, which is infrareds, and also contains amazing anti-aging ingredients. It prevents photoaging of skin by fighting formation of the APA1 factors, which is responsible for breaking down the collagen fibers and decrease in their synthesis. It maintains cellular integrity. It offers reinforced protection of cell structure, so I'm really excited that this sunblock actually affects you on a cellular level. It's not just a regular sunblock. So I definitely saw that it did work when I used other sunblock on my body and this one on my face, and my face didn't burn. So definitely the claims are real. So I highly suggest a sunblock if you have a chance to check it out because it did work for me. But even if you don't want to get this sunblock, make sure you use a sunblock because the most important thing is for you to use a sunblock daily. Just find something you enjoy that works for your skin. Also do your research to make sure it protects your skin through all the harmful sun rays, and reapply every 2 hours. So that is the most important thing to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you take care of yourselves, and I love you guys so much, and I wish you guys a wonderful week. Bye.